Imagine discovering a dragon so small it could sit comfortably on your fingertip. A reptile so tiny that most people would walk right past it without ever noticing. Hidden deep within the forests of Madagascar lives one of nature's most extraordinary miniature hunters, the pygmy chameleon. At first glance, it looks like a tiny leaf brought to life, but behind its small size lies an incredible survival machine. The pygmy chameleon is one of the smallest chameleons on Earth. Some species are shorter than a human thumb. Its tiny body allows it to move unnoticed through the dense forest floor. For predators, spotting it is almost impossible. Madagascar is home to some of the world's most unique wildlife, and the pygmy chameleon may be one of its greatest treasures. Unlike larger chameleons that spend most of their lives in trees, many pygmy species prefer life close to the ground. The forest floor becomes their hidden kingdom. Surrounded by dead leaves, twigs, and moss, they disappear almost completely. Nature has turned camouflage into an art form. Every step is slow and deliberate. Their movements mimic leaves swaying gently in the wind. This unusual walking style helps them avoid unwanted attention. Predators often mistake them for ordinary debris. Despite their tiny size, pygmy chameleons possess one of the most famous reptile abilities in the world: the power to change color. But contrary to popular belief, color change isn't mainly for camouflage. It's often used for communication, mood, and temperature control. When threatened, their colors may become darker. When relaxed, they often display softer natural shades. Their skin acts like a living display screen, constantly adjusting to changing conditions. One of the most remarkable features of any chameleon is its eyes, and the pygmy chameleon is no exception. Each eye can move independently, allowing the animal to watch two completely different directions at the same time. This gives the tiny reptile a nearly 360-degree view of its surroundings, an incredible advantage in a world full of danger. Its sharp vision helps it detect even the smallest movement. Nothing escapes its watchful gaze. But seeing prey is only the beginning. The real magic happens when it strikes. How does one of the world's smallest reptiles capture insects with deadly accuracy? The pygmy chameleon's most powerful weapon isn't its claws, teeth, or size. It's a tongue that can launch faster than the human eye can follow. Hidden inside its tiny mouth is a biological marvel, a hunting tool perfected by millions of years of evolution. When prey comes within range, the chameleon locks onto its target. Its eyes focus with incredible precision. Then, in a fraction of a second, the tongue explodes forward. The attack is almost invisible to the naked eye. The sticky tip of the tongue strikes the insect with remarkable accuracy. Escape becomes nearly impossible. Once contact is made, the prey is pulled back into the mouth instantly. The hunt is over before it even begins. Despite its tiny size, the pygmy chameleon is an efficient predator. Every successful hunt is crucial for survival. Its diet consists mainly of tiny insects. Ants, flies, beetles, and other small invertebrates become its meals. The forest floor is full of opportunities, but it is also full of danger. Birds, snakes, spiders, and larger reptiles constantly search for easy prey. The pygmy chameleon must remain alert at all times. Camouflage becomes its first line of defense. Its body blends perfectly with leaves and forest debris. Even experienced researchers sometimes struggle to spot one. Nature has made it nearly invisible. When danger approaches, the chameleon often freezes completely. Remaining motionless can mean the difference between life and death. Its slow movements are not a weakness. They are part of an advanced survival strategy. By moving like a leaf swaying in the wind, it avoids attracting attention. Predators often overlook it entirely. Life in Madagascar's forests demands constant adaptation. only the most specialized creatures survive. The pygmy chameleon has evolved to thrive in a world where being small can be a major advantage. Tiny size allows access to places larger animals cannot reach. Scientists continue discovering new pygmy chameleon species. Many remain hidden in remote forests across Madagascar. Some species are so small that they rank among the tiniest reptiles ever discovered. Their existence continues to amaze researchers worldwide. But how do these miniature reptiles reproduce and survive generation after generation? For such a tiny creature, finding a mate can be one of life's greatest challenges. Deep within the forest, male and female pygmy chameleons rely on visual signals to locate one another. During the breeding season, males become more active. They search carefully through the leaf litter for potential mates. Once mating is complete, the female begins preparing for the next generation. Her mission is to find a safe place to lay her eggs. Using her tiny feet, she digs a small hole in the soft forest soil. The eggs are carefully hidden beneath leaves and dirt. Unlike mammals, pygmy chameleons provide no parental care. The eggs are left alone to face the challenges of nature. Weeks later, miniature chameleons emerge from their eggs. They are tiny, fragile, and completely independent from birth. These newborn reptiles immediately begin searching for food and shelter. Their survival depends entirely on instinct. Only a small percentage will reach adulthood. Predators and environmental dangers claim many young chameleons before they mature. Yet those that survive become masters of camouflage, tiny hunters perfectly adapted to life on the forest floor. Scientists have discovered species of pygmy chameleons so small they can comfortably sit on a human fingertip. Some are among the smallest reptiles ever found on Earth. Their miniature size continues to fascinate biologists around the world. They challenge our understanding of how small reptiles can become. Despite their remarkable adaptations, these tiny reptiles face serious threats. Habitat destruction is their greatest enemy. Madagascar's forests are disappearing due to deforestation and human activity. Every lost tree reduces the chameleon's chance of survival. Many species live only in small, isolated regions. If their habitat disappears, entire species could vanish forever. Protecting Madagascar's forests means protecting some of the most unique animals on the planet, including the world's tiniest color masters. Wildlife quiz question 1. What special ability are chameleons famous for? A. Flying. B. Changing color. C. Swimming question 2. Where do most pygmy chameleons live? A. Deserts. B. Arctic region. C. Madagascar's forests. Question 3. True or false? A pygmy chameleon's eyes can move independently of each other. If you answered all 3 questions correctly, you've just learned about one of the smallest and most fascinating reptiles on Earth. Nature proves once again that size isn't everything. Hidden among the leaves of Madagascar, the pygmy chameleon survives through patience, camouflage, and extraordinary adaptation. And as our journey through lizard legends continues, even more incredible reptiles await discovery.